Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Wi-Fi does not have a valid IP configuration error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now the first solution is to release and renew the IP address. But before anything else, we need to open the elevated command prompt. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now type the command ipconfig /release, hit enter, and then type the command ipconfig /renew and hit enter. And this will fix the problem for a lot of users, but if it does not, then you can reset the TCP IP protocol. The command for this, it's very easy to remember all of these commands, is netsh space int space IP space reset. So I'll paste it here and hit enter, and it has reset all of these. Next one is the winsock reset command. So copy this, or simply remember that netsh space winsock space reset, and then paste it here and then hit enter. And I'll give you an easier method to reset all of these without even opening the command prompt window. Simply right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Now scroll down and click on network reset and then click on reset now. The next solution is to use Google's DNS as a DNS address. So press the Windows key and the R button together. Type the command ncpa.cpl in the run window and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on Wi-Fi and select properties, and let these properties load, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now select this option, use the following DNS server address and type 8.8.8.8, and the alternative DNS should be 8.8.4.4, and then click on OK, and then click on OK once again. The last solution would be to power cycle the modem, router and computer. Now keep all of these three connected. Switch off all three of them, the computer, the modem and the router. And if you have a modem router combined in one, then you simply have to switch off the router. Now switch on the modem first, wait for all the lights to be stable, then switch on the router, wait for all the lights to be stable, and then switch on the computer. If you have a modem router all combined in one, I mean you just have a router and a computer, then switch off the router, wait for 10 seconds, switch on the router first, wait for all the lights to be stable and them to be green, and then switch on the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.